Welcome to the Personal Flotation Devices module. This module is designed to raise your awareness of the importance of wearing a personal flotation device, or PFD. It is fair to say that very few individuals working in the fishing and aquaculture industry wear a PFD at sea, despite their ability to prevent drowning and loss of life. Many individuals reject the idea, claiming they are too bulky, uncomfortable, or they increase the risk of entanglement in fishing gear or in other equipment. While in some instances these claims may be accurate, the reality is they are often based on old information and ignore recent advances in PFD design, particularly with respect to their size and comfort. These claims also ignore the fact there are times when it is wise to wear a PFD, such as when a boat is crossing a sandbar in heavy seas, when working on the deck in poor weather, or when traveling in a dinghy. Finally, these claims also discount the importance of PFDs in saving lives. For example, a recent 10-year study in the United States found that all 182 fishers that drowned or disappeared after falling overboard were not wearing a PFD. In Australia, on average, one commercial fisher falls overboard each year and drowns or disappears. That said, this reluctance is changing. Several fishing companies around Australia have introduced boat policies requiring crews to use a PFD under certain circumstances, and many individual boat owners are doing likewise. In addition to claims about comfort and increased risk, there are two other reasons a greater number of fishers and aquaculture workers do not wear PFDs. The first is a failure by many boat owners and skippers to realize they have a duty of care toward their crew. This means they are required under workplace health and safety law to take all reasonable steps to ensure the safety of all individuals on board. This also means the boat owner or skipper could be held responsible for someone lost overboard, particularly if they were not wearing a PFD. The second reason is a prevailing macho, risk-taking culture on many fishing boats. Subsequently, no one wants to be considered weak by wearing a PFD while working on deck or in the rigging. Overcoming this perception is the responsibility of the boat owner or skipper, and a clear policy regarding when a PFD must be worn is a good early step. As mentioned, there have been significant advances in PFD design. Inflatable PFDs are small, lightweight, are often fitted with soft material to prevent chafing around the neck, and can be designed to auto-inflate if the wearer is unconscious when they fall overboard. Many PFDs can also be fitted with a personal locator beacon, or PLB for short, or an emergency position indicating radio beacon or EPIRB. These are small, lightweight devices that indicate your location via satellite to authorities so they know where to commence a search should you fall overboard or the boat sinks. Your boat should also be fitted with a float-free, water-activated EPIRB for use should the boat sink. It will be mandatory for many boats to be equipped with one of these EPIRBs commencing January 2021. As a final point, while the boat owner or skipper is required to provide you with a PFD, in the absence of a boat policy or skipper instruction, the decision where and when to wear a PFD is up to you. Recall that you also have a responsibility to take all reasonable steps to protect yourself from harm. This is where the stop, think, act approach is a useful start, followed by the hierarchy of controls to reduce safety risks to yourself. Okay, so now you are finished. Now let's review what we have covered.